How to change shipping address on Temu before delivery. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the U page. Head over to the option Your Orders. Now here you're gonna find list of orders. Now head towards the order for which you want to change shipping address. You won't find the option. As if right now there's no such option within Temu to change shipping address after delivery. Once the order has been placed, even if still in gathering items or processing stage, there is no option to edit the shipping address. This limitation is widely experienced even by users in various countries. To ensure future orders ship to the right place, you'll need to navigate to the U page, then head over to this option Addresses. From here, you can add a new address or edit it. If in the future Temu makes it possible to change shipping address before delivery, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.